Today I'm going to show you how to make blueberry and lemon cupcakes. For the cupcakes you will need 175 grams of self-raising flour, 175 grams of caster sugar, 175 grams of butter or margarine, 3 eggs, 175 grams of blueberries, and the zest of 1 lemon. To start with, in a bowl add your sugar and your butter and cream until really well combined. Then add your eggs and the zest of your lemon and mix really well again until well combined. Then add your self-raising flour and again mix really well. And then add your blueberries and mix really well until you've got a lovely batter and the blueberries are really well distributed throughout. Then to a pre-lined muffin tray, you want to spoon your mixture into muffin cases. And then bake in a preheated oven at gas mark 5, 190 degrees centigrade or 170 fan assisted for 16 to 20 minutes. Then for the buttercream you will need 175 grams of icing sugar, 75 grams of butter at room temperature, and approximately 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. So to a bowl add your icing sugar and your butter, and if you're not using a mixer you want to use a fork and you want to press your butter into your icing sugar. It'll take a little bit of time and a little bit of elbow grease, but you can get there. If you want, you can do this in a mixer if you have one. I just like to show the way of doing things without equipment. Then once you've pushed your butter into your icing sugar as much as you can do, it won't have completely combined by this point, but you definitely don't want any of your butter to just be butter. You want it to be as combined as you could possibly get it. You then want to add your lemon juice in a little bit at a time. It's easier to add more than to take away. If you do happen to put too much liquid in, do just put a little bit more icing sugar in and hopefully that should counteract it. Then just mix in the lemon juice into your icing sugar butter and it should start to come together and start to cream into a nice buttercream. Just adding more lemon juice as and when you need it. Then once your buttercream is done, you just want to either spread this on top of your cupcakes, or I have used a piping bag with a piping attachment. And then for additional decoration, I just put some blueberries on top. These were just additional to my 175, but you don't have to do this if you don't want. And there you have it. That's how you make blueberry and lemon cupcakes.